You see, the same way businesses are being affected, businesses who do not use AI are being affected by the uprising of AI. The same way remote workers, like the freelancers who are not putting AI into a very good use, a unique way of using AI, the same way AI is taking over their jobs, the same way AI has taken over GoHighLevel. Honestly, the transformation that has occurred inside GoHighLevel in the last 6 months, like 6 months, cut it down to 3 months, has been a massive one. Do you understand? So I am bringing in this GoHighLevel mentorship class to bring you from scratch. I'm not saying all that we have learned in the past is a waste. They are like a bedrock. They are like foundation on which you want to build what is existing now. You know, let me say last month it happened that I was kind of busy. So most of the projects I was getting, I was not even, I get projects, I give it to a team member or I find someone from Upwork and outsource. I was not checking the interface. Do you understand? Only for me to log in, like, was it 3 days ago or 4 days ago, and I saw a lot has really changed inside GoHighLevel. So if you are approaching GoHighLevel with the same knowledge you've had before 6 months, like in the last 6 months, a year ago or thereabouts, it is not a waste, but it's not sufficient for you to trend now. Many of all the things that are needed now are related to AI. Appointment booking AI, funnels are being built by AI, automations are being built by AI, appointments are being booked by AI, chatbots by AI, workflows by AI. A lot of things are being done by AI. So if you don't know the way to go about this, here is an opportunity for you. Do you understand? Now, when you enroll for this class, I'm breaking it down into two. One is the full package, the other one is for those who already know how to sell this service. Do you understand? You already know how to sell this service and you just want to learn it and then go ahead. Like you are switching from one service you'll be rendering to GoHighLevel now. You already know how to sell what you want to buy, then it is fine. You can go for the lesser package. But if you are the type that is probably new, or the system with which you used to sell is no longer working and you want to learn the updates on platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, and Fiverr, how it is working, and then you need to go for this. Do you understand? So there are two packages, you will see it there. So number one thing you'll be getting for free here, you'll be having access, because that is one of the major challenges Nigerians have, or maybe the African countries have with GoHighLevel, how to access GoHighLevel. Many would have tried creating an account, but your cards gets rejected. Do you understand? Your card gets rejected. So you will have access to a GoHighLevel account for 2 months for free, where you can go in there, practice anything you want to practice. Again, you will have access to virtual classes where I myself will walk you through and answer your questions. Do you understand? We will be having, like, time to time we'll be having virtual classes. We answer your question. I get to answer your questions, and maybe if you're having any challenge, I can come up and assist you with it. Then we run through it. I put you through on how to do a lot of things. You will have access to pre-recorded video resources from experts in GoHighLevel niche, recognized by GoHighLevel. Do you understand? You will have direct access to me until you cross. Why I'm putting the benchmark on $1,000? Not that when you cross $1,000, if you are serious, you will do that. Not that when you cross $1,000, I will send you away. But I believe if you are skillful enough to have crossed $1,000, I believe you are able to do a lot of things on your own, even though you might still be falling back to get updates from me. Do you understand? You will know how to navigate the system and do other things. You will have access to my GoHighLevel template for different businesses, because a lot of businesses are using GoHighLevel. A lot of businesses are using GoHighLevel now, because GoHighLevel is like an all-in-one platform for website design, for sales funnel, for running ads, for scheduling posts, booking appointments, for your chat bots, like replying direct DMs. A lot of features are already incorporated into GoHighLevel. Your webinar is already there. Shopify, GoHighLevel already has a store on itself, on inside the CRM itself. So a lot of businesses, there is high demand for GoHighLevel service presently. So this is an opportunity for you, especially if you have already taken a course related to virtual assistants. GoHighLevel mastery, GoHighLevel skill is a top in-demand skill presently as we speak, and it is so much in demand because of the AI features coming into it. So, you know, a skill that we do well in 2026 now, you have to mention AI related to it. Do you understand? So you will have access to my templates for businesses, real estate, coaching, insurance, templates of how you can set up their business for them and help them with closing sales and then winning leads and all. You will have access to how I create proposals I use in landing high-end clients. Do you understand? How you send proposal or how you prepare proposal for a client you are charging 3,000 naira. You are charging $300. It's different from that. You want to design for a client, you want to charge $12,000, $50,000. These things are possible. I have done those figures. Do you understand? So I will be presenting you with certain proposals and I will teach you how to put it, how to identify it and how to put it. So you will have access to the community as well. There will definitely be a community where we will talk, we gist, you get to ask your questions so that updates will be rolling in from there. Do you understand? So this is these are the reasons why this GoHighLevel masterclass is a plus for you. It has nothing to do with if you are just starting. It has nothing to do with if you were there before. It is not exempting anybody. Everyone is welcome into this GoHighLevel masterclass. So click the link, make the payment, then we go from there.